Right now, there's no edge device, so we're going to provision a edge device to show you how to associate that edge device with this device subflow block. So the way to do that is you go to the designer menu, go to System Tools, and Provision Edge Device. Then here you're given the instruction to provision a edge device of your own. For example, if you have a Raspberry Pi or any kind of edge gateway, you can copy this curl command here. So Control-C to copy. And now you can go to the SSH into your device. So I have an industrial Raspberry Pi device here, and I would paste the command I just copied into the screen, and just hit enter. This is going to install the Prescient Edge software in your edge device. So the software does a bunch of checks, puts your device into a cloud database. Now it's asking you for a device ID. Device ID is something you define. You can use any alphanumerical string here. The only requirement is that the device ID has to be unique, meaning you cannot have two devices with the same device ID under one Prescient Designer account. So let's say if I call this one RevPi, maybe 01, that's the name device ID I give to it. So I press enter. Now the script is going to continue, and we'll install all the necessary packages, including Node.js, Node-RED. It also installs the Prescient Edge runtime, which manages the Node-RED and Node.js processes to make sure that everything works properly. Okay, so now the Prescient devices provisioner is done, and you can actually see this device appearing in Prescient Designer. If you have any problems running this script, let us know, and we can help to figure it out. We also have other ways of installing either containers or snaps into devices. So let us know if there are other requirements on how to install Prescient Edge into your edge devices. So once this is done, you no longer need to log into your device anymore. You can program your devices directly from inside Prescient Designer. So we're going to go back to Prescient Designer. And now you can see that we have this device here. It shows the amount of memory and disk available in this device. And in addition, there's a little menu button here with a bunch of different options you can use.